cars are moving right, secure. Priority is what I need. Taxi drivers in my town, teleporting me back home.